is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel tonight. If you don't know me, my name's Baked and I'm just your normal everyday bike rider. Today we're doing something a little different. We got me and the boy on the Yamaha here. We're heading to a little car meet tonight in Athens. I'm on the freaking stunt bike on the highway. First time riding this thing on the highway. It's freaking, the speed is way off, dude. I'm going 110 on here and it's actually 70 miles an hour. But yeah, we got me and him and then a few other buddies in their car heading to the World Car Meet in Athens. So we'll see how the turnout is. I don't know. But first time going to this specific group. This is the Loud Meets. And I usually go to like Ruin Culture or stuff like that, but we're gonna try this one tonight. There we go. Finally get some freaking gas. Sorry, bro. I was trying to tell you I need gas. I said sorry. I was trying to tell you I need gas. You need some? You need some? Alright, then. How's it going, man?
Yeah, how you doing, man? How you doing?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
I'm doing good, man.
Enjoying this nice weather on the bike. About time we have some warm weather. Dude, this freaking big sprocket, it says I'm going 110 on the dash and I'm going 70.
Actually, mine's been going, I think I was going like probably like 115 or something like that.
Yeah, I pulled up my speedometer app because like this freaking big sprocket, bro, it makes it so much slower.
Yeah, this thing,
I literally start out in second because it's somewhat like so torquey.
Yeah, the freaking, I had it on every single,
You did what?
magnets on every single,
Oh yeah.
thing because they're too small, so they don't pick it up as well. So now when I'm going slow, it goes, I'm going fast as 120.
It like tweaks out. God dang. Alright, we're like 15 minutes away, so. We're 15 minutes away. Hello? Okay. Freaking hear my exhaust rattling. Hopefully y'all can see all right. This is my first night setting on this thing. Or first night video on this thing, I should say. So let me know about all the settings in the comments, you know. Yeah, so 100 on the dash is about 65. Keeps you from speeding, I guess. Hopefully this car meet turns out to be good. I've never been in this one before. But actually, in one of my last videos, I met the guys from the meet. Like, one of the guys who runs it. And he was like, yo, you should pull up to the meet. And that was like months ago, so I never have. But now I'm finally going for the first time. Sorry, pal. But hey, better late than never. You know what I say? I'm a little cold. Good. No, luckily it's only like 50, so we are chilling. And then we're probably gonna head to downtown Athens after this, since it's close-ish to Athens. Doing. Bro, no way we're about to just go again. Alright. Yeah, it still pulls pretty good. I like it. Excuse me. But I am looking forward to learning. Ooh, Cycle World. I'm looking forward to learning stunts. I mean, I'm already trying to learn, but like, you know, when I can actually do stuff is when I'll be like, it'll be more fun to ride, you know? Because right now I'm just kind of like, nah. But whatever. It's alright. Gayest Mustang I ever saw. My boy got his Yamaha done up. It looks really good. He put the new tail light. He like redid the whole thing, bro. Repainted it, resealed the engine, took the engine out actually. Re-put it back all together. Freaking props to him. That's what I like to see. Hey, that thing looks sexy now. Oh, we got the green tank. British Racing green on the sides and black on top. I'm about to nut. We'll stop you. Maxima. Yo, keep inching out, bro. God dang. Yo, what are you doing? Bro, honking? Sounds like it. I don't know what that guy's doing. Bro, stop calling me. We're here. Oh, there's a few people here. Oh, where the boys at? What the frick? What's up, man? Bro, I got that brown K, dude. Am I still filming?
Huh?
Am I still filming?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it a FZ?
Yeah, MT,
Oh, empty? That's cool. I like it.
I think it's the first year, 2019.
Yeah, I like those. I like that tire too. Has that been good for you?
Yeah, I love it. She's super grippy.
Yeah.
Even slow turn, all the way.
Yeah, my friend had those on his R1, so it's pretty cool. Alright, chat, we're heading downtown to get some freaking mellow mushroom. Cause we're hungry. It's a pizza place. It's freaking good. If you know, you know. Oh, the potholes here are crazy. God damn. Holy crowds. So many people. Yo, turn off your freaking brights. Oh, there's Carson. I was wondering why bro was blinding me. Alright. Sweet. Haha, I love bikes. Bruh, sweet. Right in front of the freaking building. Huh?
I don't need to pay, do we?
No. There's no meter here. It's free for the bike. Free for the bike. Plug.
Or driving a bike from
Bro, I love it, bro. Alright, we heading out from downtown now. Haha, my boy. Alright, anyways, that's gonna be it from your boy Big today. Sorry we didn't really get into much of the car show. We left a little early to go get some dinner, but you already know we'll be back for another video soon, so appreciate all y'all watching, and subscribe if you liked it, like it if you like it, and I'll see you on the next one.